and you will both strive to have your new responsibilities realized. Chipilin, do you accept Oscar Jr. to be your lawful husband? Oscar Jr., do you accept Chipilin to be your lawful wife? Do you swear under oath before me as municipal mayor of this town and to those who are present here of your acceptance of each other as husband and wife? Do you swear under oath to obey all the laws and directives as mandated by the Republic of the Philippines? Hence, you have to love one another as husband and wife, for better or worse, for joys and sorrows, for richer or poorer, fulfill your obligations as husband and wife, and truly help one another at all times. Be true to yourself before God and before all men. By the power vested in me by the Republic of the Philippines as municipal mayor of this town, I declare you as husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride. Ay, may sing-sing. Huwag mong balaw. Sige lang. Nalipat ko. Wala dyan natin ang bride. Bilang may mga panupatan naman. Una, yung sing-sing. Bilang sanda, kapakon. Warat, pagbugto. Katapusan. Congratulations. Bilang, this ang mabili mo. Control. Binigyan na ba eh? Yan ah.